Tables allows us to display data in rows and columns. Each table is organized into rows using the table row tag, and each row is then split into table cells containing either header or data tags. The cells can be formatted separately and expand to fit its content. They may also contain their own tables, making tables very powerful for creating the page layout and for positioning elements. Note that for each of these inner table elements, the end tag can be left out. The border attribute specifies the width of the border in pixels, which is 0 by default for most browsers. The frame attribute is used to specify which outside borders are displayed, and rules controls the borders between the cells. The width of the rules are not decided by the border attribute, but by the table cell spacing. The border color attribute can be set for each of the table elements to change the color of the borders. Cell spacing is the space between the table cells, and cell padding is the space between the cell border and its content. Both of these attributes can be specified in either pixels or percentage. When specified by percentage, the browser uses half of the specified percentage for each side of the cell. The width attribute can be applied to all table elements except for table row and specifies the width of the table cell, and height specifies the height of the table cell. Width and height can also be a percentage of the screen. Note that we only need to set the width for one cell in a column in order to affect all other cells in that column. Background and BG color can be used to add the background image or color to any table element. Cells may span multiple rows and columns using the row span and col span attributes. The col span attribute spans a table cell across several columns, and the row span attribute stretches a cell across multiple rows in the table. The align attribute controls the horizontal alignment and can be added to all table elements to force center, left or right alignment. The table cells can also be aligned with justified. V-align can set the vertical alignment of table cells and rows to align the content at either the top, middle, bottom or baseline.